Good day, everybody. This is Lugaru 214 here to speak about the Ruger American Ranch Rifle. This one is chambered in 223-556, and I'm here to talk about what I got out of mine for accuracy. First, the rifle itself. It's as far as I'm concerned, it's a great rifle. It's not as expensive as some of the other stuff you can find on the market, such as Tikkas or Seikos, but they still get the job done as far as I'm concerned. Mine's topped with a Nikon Monarch 3 scope, 4-16 power. So with great glass, helps with what you're trying to do. So what I reloaded with was Hornady VMAX 40 grain bullets, and using 3 different powders. Now, for my reloading and for testing, this was just different powder charges and to see what groups, and then from there, then I decide which one I want to go with, and then I try it out. So what I've got up on the wall here was a target. I had 9 different loads with 3 different powders, and this was done at 30 yards. That's where I try it out. If it won't group at 30, 100 yards, 150 yards, just a waste of time. So to get started, this is using 8208, which is the stuff. Sorry about the lighting, it's not great. Hopefully the next video I'll have a better setup. So this was at 30 yards, which as far as I'm concerned is not a great load in this one either. But this is 3 shots, which I'm really impressed with. And this is 8208. So of the 4 loads I had with this powder, this is only one I'm happy with. This is using, the next one's 4198. This is 2-in-1. And again, this is 2-in-1. So this shows promise, and this also, that could be me that pulled it, or maybe, I don't know. But it's worth retrying. And this is also 4198, and that's, like I said, at 30 yards. If that's the best I can get, I'm not going to bother with it. And using CFE 223, this is the 3 shots. That's 2 and that's 1. So that's worth retrying. The way I do it, I'll take my shots, let the gun cool, maybe shoot something else, let it sit, go back, take 3 shots, taking my time, let it cool off, and repeat that process. Like I said, I don't go at 100 yards, because if I move, you don't have to move a lot to be off. And then it's not the gun's fault, it's me, the shooter. So like I said, I try this, and then I'll really load. What I usually do is load 4, which I ended up shooting the 4 there. But I'll load 4 and shoot 3. And I'll save that one, my 4th one, so I can recheck what I did. I write down everything I do. I write the length and everything, but I like to save one so I can recheck it, make sure I got the right length, and then redo everything identical. So if that gun will do that at 30 yards, it should be okay at 100, 150. Like I said, I'm using a Hornady VMAX. The scope wasn't set. My scope is set for a 55 grain full metal jacket, which I already had a load for. So this is a great, I think it's a great coyote round for something like that. For deer, I don't know if where I'm at, this jurisdiction, I'm not allowed to use that caliber for deer anyway. But like I said, for coyote or for other stuff, I think it'd be a great round. So like I said, if my Ruger will do that, I don't know if yours will. But but as far as I'm concerned, I think they're a great gun. Like I said, the bolt's not as tight, as smooth as some other guns I've had or I've tried, but I still think this is a great gun. And let me know. Sorry about the lighting there. So let me know what you found on yours. If you've got any comments, put them down. If you like the video, click the like, and let me know what you think. And then we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.